From action in the field, through development and delivery of national policies, and across international trade supply chains, there's never been a greater opportunity to deploy digital innovation for the conservation and sustainable use of wildlife. As we celebrate World Wildlife Day this year, we have the opportunity to bring digital innovations across all of our efforts to tackle the nature crisis, to halt and reverse the loss of biodiversity. For over 20 years, the UN Environment Programme World Conservation Monitoring Centre has been using digital tools to support parties to the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, to understand patterns of wildlife trade, and ensure that international wildlife trade is legal, traceable and sustainable. In partnership with CITES, we manage multiple digital tools to help policymakers and officials implement and enforce global wildlife trade regulations. These include the CITES Trade Database, which now includes over 25 million transactions, the checklist of CITES species, Species Plus, and CITES Wildlife Trade View. All these tools are freely available online, so go take a look and see how they provide insight from available data to support informed decision making on wildlife trade. And these global tools also link seamlessly to national data systems to allow parties to CITES to contribute and draw on their functions. This integration is supported by the rapid growth in the number of CITES parties that now have implemented or are developing electronic permitting systems. These national digital innovations are helping to improve the implementation of the Convention through access to data, simpler procedures, faster and more robust reporting, and increased transparency. And we're also launching a brand new platform to support non-detriment findings, scientific assessments that parties make to ensure sustainability of international wildlife trade. So those are a few examples of some recent and emerging digital innovations at the forefront of the international approach to the sustainability of wildlife trade. And we look forward to continuing to work with scientific, policy and technology partners to support CITES and the wider conservation community with the latest data and powerful digital tools as we progress towards a world that connects people and planet for a sustainable future for all.